What is the best natural alternative painkiller for knee pain? When it comes to natural alternatives for managing knee pain, turmeric stands out as a potent option. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate knee pain associated with conditions like osteoarthritis. It can be consumed as a spice in cooking or taken as a supplement. Additionally, turmeric has been shown to have antioxidant effects, which can further support joint health. While individual responses to turmeric may vary, many people find relief from knee pain with regular turmeric supplementation or consumption. As with any supplement or treatment, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your specific situation. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your individual needs and medical history. Determine the best approach for your specific situation.